Hello everybody, today we are going to speak about how to make this Niagara effect and cloud like that just in 5 minutes. If you are beginner and you don't know anything about Niagara, just in 5 minutes you will create this nice shot for your game or for your short film. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video, and let's get started. First of all, right click and Niagara system, and here new system from selected emitter. Next, go here and fountain and double click. So finish easy way. So this is test cloud. Okay, drag and drop here. Oh, so this is our emitter. So now we need to add smoke and the cloud material. So if you are here and create a new project, you will see already this starter content from particle and material. You will see this smoke submaterial. So this already in Unreal Engine with starter content. So now I'm going to choose this one, double click Niagara, okay, and we will play with our material. So now we will split render. I'm going to change material for smoke, okay, smoke sub UV. Okay, so this is our sub material. So but here if you look in smoke and particle material, look, okay, this is 8 by 8. We want to create this one. Double click and we will change this sub image for 8 and 8. Okay, now I changed this one 8 by 8, and we have to graffiti. We don't need graffiti, okay, but shape we need to create it as box plan. Okay, this is box plan, okay, but I would need to make this 100 and this 10. Okay, now we can change this one to velocity, this to be in liner. So look here, we are in the right way. Look, X, Y, Z. If I make it 0, look. If I make it 100, look what happened. So we need to add random range vector. Okay, so we will add, for example, 100. Okay, minimum 10. Okay, and 100. Okay, and 0. Look now what happened. Okay, now all of them, they are here, but if you look here, save, and look what happened. Okay, so small. So I'm going to make it more bigger, something like that. Okay, 2000. Okay, 2000 and maybe 200. Okay, X, Y, and Z, this height. Okay, look, but now here smoke is so, okay, look here, so small. We need to make it bigger. Okay, this is our box. Our box starts from here to here, but look, so small. So we want to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, we will come here to this particle and we can make it from 100 to 200. Look now what happened. Look, so nice, but maybe you can make it a little bit bigger to okay. So look now, so nice. We will add a little bit something, maybe this is 22 for more faster. Okay, so we will add noise for them, noise, add vertical update from this plus noise. Okay, we will add noise for this area. Look, okay, 50, 150, or maybe 150, and this is maybe in 50. Okay, nice. So now if we look here, we will make a spawn rate. We will increase spawn rate, this for 1000 for example. Look what happened, we will make it 500. So nice, maybe 400. Okay, so now 400 or 300. Okay, but we can scale, look, this to be 200 and 300. Okay, so if we look here, play from this area, look, so nice, but we need to play with setting. So if you come to this area and look, we can add rotation. Okay, spirit rotation and rate. Look, we will make rotation. Okay, and we will add, okay, random range float as maybe 50 and 150. Look, but maybe 5 and 150, 100. Okay, okay, but just if you check, you will see this is a little bit, oh, so maybe 20. Okay, nice. So if you go there to scale color and look, we have a little bit problem here for appearing for this one. Look, we have something problem here, so we need to change scale color. Look, if we come to this area a little bit, so here now, so nice, you don't feel anything with the starting and the end with this value. So just I need to delete them. Okay, we don't need it. Okay, now I'm going to add something else. So we are here, copy and paste. Look, but now we can make it higher to feel something cloud and something more over it. So we will come to spawn rate, we will make it 100 for example, and shape location we will make it 500. Okay, 500. Look, okay, X and Y and Z. Look, this is the new value, but we will make it here scale 2.2. Look now, this area. Okay, or maybe scale shape, we will make it 600. Okay, Now velocity, we will make it 200. No, 50. It will be nice. But first one we can shape to 100. Good to see the next shape. Look. So I will increase this area to be more bigger. Okay. The second floor, this one, and go to shape and location, velocity, and initialize vertical. So to be 400, 300 to 500. Okay, now look this one. Look here. Wow, really so nice. Okay, but first step here, this is the first floor and this is the second floor. So this one we can decrease a little bit to be 100 and 200. Okay, now I think nice. Okay, or maybe 150 to 250. Okay, so if we come here to this area and play, wow, really I love it so much. Okay, now you can play with them, so nice. But maybe we can add something here. Okay, but this one we can increase the color of scaling color. Look, this one to be 0.3, 0.5. Look, this one, but if you make it 0.3, I think it will be nice. Okay, now we can add the third floor to be this one, and this one second, and third it will be in this area. Okay, now we will come to this area, double click, and we will add the third place. Okay, spawn rate 100. Good. So velocity is the same. Okay, but now we will increase the top of height of this one to be, look, we are here, vertical, velocity, shape, we will make it around 1000. Okay, now look here, look, now this is our value, this is last value, but we will play with color to be 1. So nice. Okay, now if you look here, this is last one, and but first one we can increase the value, increase this, look, small a little bit, we will scale it. Okay, this first and this one first, this for second, and this for third. So now we need to make it a little bit, scaling a little bit. So if you come here to this area, 200 and 300. Okay, so nice, really I love it. Okay, play here. Okay, wow, if you can scale it a little bit, you can play with it as you like. If you feel it is not the same value, you can maybe You can get it a little bit down. Okay, play from here. Look, now everything is working so nice. But if you feel this area is more يعني just maybe we can make opacity a little bit to be to 5. Okay, look, wow, to be like that, like fog. You feel it so nice. If you want to increase more, you can come here and increase as you like. Spawn rate to be 400. Okay, look, now you feel you are in the right way. If you want to make it a little bit here, look, wow. Maybe sometimes somebody maybe they want to scale it a little bit, but I don't like that. But you can. Okay, so nice. If you want to increase it with the high value, maybe sometimes. Okay, now sometimes maybe you have factory and animation, something, so you need to add a little bit value for it. So if you are here and play, look for nice, okay, nice value. Everything is working so nice. Okay, if this is the first time at my channel, don't forget to make like for my video and subscribe for my channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Salam alaikum.